Now, Emily, we know that what the height of this rectangle is. It's 11. They gave us that. But what's the base of the rectangle always equal to?
The circumference.
The circumference of the circle, right? And how do I find the circumference of a circle?
Pi times the diameter.
Pi times the diameter. Okay, we'll replace pi with 3.14. What's the diameter of this circle? 8. Good. So what is 3.14 times 8, Emily?
25.12.
25.12. Perfect. Excellent job, Emily. Okay, so the base is 25.12. Who wants to give me the area of that rectangle? Thanks, David. What is it? Yes, sir? Okay. 276.32? Got it. How do I find the surface area of the whole thing then? How do I find that, Isabella?
Add them up.
Add them all up. Would you add them up for me? 376.8 centimeters squared. Excellent. 376.8 centimeters squared. Okay. Now, let me get rid of this work. We have found the surface area for those two cans, but they've asked us some questions about it. Find the amount of metal needed for each can. Okay, well, we did that, right? We found the surface area for each can. Now we know how much metal. If we're making paint cans, we need to know how much metal to order in order to make those paint cans. Am I right? Okay. It says, what is the ratio of the surface area of the two cans? Now remember, a ratio is a what? Raise your hand. A ratio is a what? It's very easy. It's another word for a, Allie? A what?
Comparison.
No. It is kind of, but what kind of comparison? Elise? No, it's not a rate. Zachary?
A difference.
Nope, that's a subtraction problem. A ratio is a fraction. What is the fraction of the surface area of these two cans? Well, let's just write them in a fraction. 1507.2 over 376.8. Yeah? We just wrote it as a fraction. What is the ratio? What is a fraction? Moreau? A division problem. Will you go ahead and divide that and tell me what you get? Remember, it's a ratio, so we're going to leave it as a fraction. Did it surprise you? 4 over 1. This can is half the size, but do you agree that when I bring this over here, it kind of looks like, do you see I can almost put 4 of those cans in that big one? Right? I could put 2 across the bottom and 2 across the top. Okay, it's not exactly that because this thing is round like a cylinder. But does that make sense? Even though its dimensions are only half, right? What is half squared? Because area is squared. So it's 2 times 2 gives me 4. Okay? Does that make sense? Is that all right? We got that? All right, good job. Let's look at the next one.